This car with our paint guard product, bumper to bumper, everything except the glass, okay? Meaning all your paint, all your chrome trim, all your headlights from yellowing, fogging, and fading. We're even gonna coat your rims on alloy wheels, okay? From any kind of permanent brake dust staining or any kind of salt damage or anything like that. On the interior, gonna cover basically everything here, your dashboard, your seats, your trunk, all your carpet, all your mats. Everything covered from any kind of stains, any kind of rips, any kind of tears, any kind of burns, anything from that a customer could do, we're gonna take care of it, okay? We'll go out to their home, place of business, or back here to the dealership, and we'll take care of that customer. That's what we're in business for. Over 40 years taking care of customers, making sure that when they get our product, we take care of it, okay? So what I've done is, like I said, I've pre-treated that. I'm gonna take a little bit of our Home Depot regular black spray paint. Whoop. You actually spray paint the hood. Replicate a little industrial fallout. Now I'm going to actually take it and I'm going to apply some heat. Give it a nice little torch. Then, excuse me. I have a little bit of renewer here on my pad. If I just start a wiper right now, I'm going to scratch it. So I'm going to go like this with one finger, guys. You can see this if you want to get a little closer. I got one finger of pressure on there. I'm taking that right off the car.
He has strong fingers. But
That's nothing, okay?
that's amazing.
That's fantastic. That's
Freaking
great protection
unbelievable.
for your customers. That's the kind of protection we provide for you.
That is crazy.
That's great, it's awesome.